Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I am making a ravioli pasta bake with garlic knots. To a big bowl, I'm adding pesto sauce. And now I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream. Now I'm going in with some salt and pepper. I'm going to give this a nice stir. And now I'm going to add some all-purpose flour. Okay, so now I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Give it a good stir and set it to the side. Now this is my pizza crust. I'm making my knots. You don't have to be fancy, just cut some pieces, long strips, and make your knots. Easy, easy. Okay, so these are all my knots. So right here, I have a baking dish. I sprayed it with a non-stick spray, and I added 1 package of chicken ravioli. You could use cheese if you want. I like the chicken. Now I'm adding my creamy pesto sauce. Next, I'm adding a 2nd package of the ravioli and the rest of my pesto sauce. This is such an easy recipe, you guys. This is Parmesan cheese. So I'm adding my Parmesan cheese, and then I'm going to bring in my knots. And I'm going to line them all along the edges. So now I have one of those spritzers, and it has olive oil inside. And I'm spraying all of my knots with the olive oil. And now I'm taking just a little brush, just brushing it all over. So now in my hand, I'm adding some garlic salt. I want it in my hand so I can control the amount. And I'm just sprinkling them on top. And then I'm adding Italian seasoning on top of my knots. And now this is ready for the oven. I have a 400-degree oven waiting, and I put it in. You're going to put it in for 30 to 40 minutes until you see the top of your knots getting nice and brown like this. This was very tasty. My son said it was one of his favorites. It is very flavorful. So these are ravioli pasta bake with garlic knots. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell in the corner to see all my recipes, and I'll see you next time.